but until my will runs dry, sin die or sin die.
Welcome back, guys. I'm here with the Luvme hair once more. I actually like the details on this box, like you see it. So let's get into what came in today's box. Okay, so I'm seeing this little booklet. Firstly, this basically is just giving you more information on just shopping with Luvme here, you know, deals and all those stuff. That's what's listed in here. This is a membership guide actually. And now let's get into the wig. Oh, I can tell this is gonna be good. All right, before we get into that, I got a branded Luvme drawstring bag, great for storage. I got a pair of wig caps. I got, like, you could go ahead and use these as labels, you know, like if you're gonna store your unit and stuff. I got a rat tail comb that's branded Luvme. Love getting rat tail combs, by the way. Also an edge brush and comb. I got a branded elastic headband, great for melting your lace if you're gonna use, you know, adhesive or whatever. And then I also got a user's guide. All right, so you got a membership guide and then there's a user's guide. This is how to care for your wig and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's that. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to be sure, you guys know I always make sure to put the specs on the wigs in my description box, so please go ahead and check out down below for the exact density and length of today's wig. All right, this, you know, Luvme hair always has like great glueless wigs. This is another gorgeous glueless wig. This is actually a 13x4 curly. This is like a loose curly wig and it feels so soft. Yeah, like number one thing I have to point out is this hair is so soft. Also, this is how the construction of the cap looks. It has a total of 4 combs on the inside and this adjustable strap, which makes it very easy to wear your wig glueless because this is what keeps it really snugged on your head. And then there are 2 adjustable straps in the back where you can also use to add more security. The lace is already customized for you guys, so you don't need to do anything. It's already pre-bleached and pre-tinted, and it's a 13x4 as I said before, so it is nicely pre-plucked as well. You see how natural and realistic that looks, really flat and just laid. Love that. Also, this is a gorgeous HD lace front. Let's not forget the quality of the lace because that's one big thing, like the number one thing that really makes your wig look super natural. And then the wig color is like a natural 1B color. I'm pretty sure you guys can see this gorgeous sheen. It's so silky. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. And it's very nice and full as well. Okay, love that. So yeah, this is how this is looking. I'm gonna go ahead and do a very nice beginners friendly install with this wig. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to it. This is how the lace is looking. It looks so good. It feels so good on the head. And I'm super pleased with the way this is fitting so far. Also, it is a medium cap, so please do note that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of get the hair out the way because I'm just lining up the lace with my natural hairline. I'm gonna cut away the excess lace on the wig. Okay, so I'm just gonna start by cutting off the excess around the ear portion. You always want to measure that out properly before you cut it off, before you cut it away. And then see, that fits really nicely around the ear. All I'm gonna do for the side portion is use some of my hairspray to keep it laid, because usually what happens is if I don't do that, then it's gonna flap like this. So we don't want it to stay laid like the mid portion of the lace does. So that's the only thing with a full-on lace front glueless wig. So you see it is lining up now, so all I need to do is cut away the rest of the excess lace.
Until my will runs dry. Sin all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and work on the sideburn portion. I'm gonna use a little bit of my hairspray to get it nice and laid. I'm actually thinking about doing like a nice side part for this one today, just giving like flip over vibe, and because I really love how soft and full these curls are. I don't know, and it's been a while since I've done like a side part, so I'm just using the band to press in the lace as I go ahead and do this. I'm just gonna use my hot comb and a little bit of wax to, you know, do my little flip over. So far it's been really easy. As you guys saw, I only went ahead and used a little hairspray on the sides, and that's it. So I want to maintain the volume, so I won't go in too far with pressing down the hair. And no baby hairs needed, no swoops. Looks like your natural hairline. So good. Just using my finger to, oh my gosh, that looks so nice. You can't tell me that doesn't look good. Like, what? Yeah, definitely giving what it's supposed to give. I'm gonna go ahead, use a little bit of my just a little bit of powder to make the parting more precise. Very minimalistic, like it's not doing too much. You can't tell me this doesn't look good. Like, what? I don't know, something about it just give that nice natural voluminous look that, I don't know, something about it is giving me the holidays. Just a nice neutral light beat with this, and it's a 10. Okay, definitely 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Super soft. Just a tad of water to just define the curls a bit, you know. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good, and a very nice light beat for the face. So yeah, that's it. Very easy, very to the point. You guys know I'm always giving you the most convenient natural looking wigs to work with. As I said in the beginning of this video, you could go ahead and check out my description box for all the specifications of this wig, the specific length, the density, everything. And if you're interested in going ahead and ordering this wig for yourself, guys, the direct link will also be listed, so check that out. The holidays is right around the corner. Everybody, you know, it's a season of gifting. This wig is bomb, so it would make a beautiful gift for somebody that's into wigs and stuff. Yeah guys, that's pretty much it for today's wig look. I hope you guys found this video informative. If you did, go ahead, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, like this video, share this video. And oh, by the way, Black Friday is almost here, so if I have any deals, any discount codes, that will be listed as well. But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay,
Rock right up to the